Hello everyone, this is Vince at Calendbook, and today we're gonna give you a whole walkthrough. It's June 20th, 2024, and so Calendbook is the easiest and most affordable scheduling software for entrepreneurs, salespeople, professionals, doctors, consultants, lawyers, you name it. Really any professional can join. So you can join with Google, with Microsoft, with your email. I love to just click once and log in with email. As soon as you're in, you basically will see the dashboard, which is divided in two sides. On the left side, we will see the event types. The event types are what you create so that people can book you, right? You can have event types for different people, different times of the day, different durations, different companies you manage, different activities, whatever, you name it. And then later when people book you, their names will appear over here, all right? So, and then you will see like more details in here when you click on the details side. Our goal here was to reduce the amount of clicks, right? So a lot of our competitors ask you to click to see, what are your upcoming events or what are your event types. We give it all to you in one side. Let's now look at event types. You can make an event type private or as well like disable it or delete it. What does it mean private? It means that we have this public general URL, right? So if I were to make this 15-minute event private, well now when I refresh this, it will not show anymore. As you see, worked flawlessly. That's great. Loved when the demo works. So now we can go back and look at the event types. And I can make this public again because honestly, it's good to have shorter calls. And I can go and make changes here or just show you how this works. So in this case, I already integrated with Zoom and it's always checking if the connection is good. You could also have your own custom text, which can be a link to your WhatsApp or a phone number or whatever, or a Google Meet. And you can change the color, you can change the duration, you can have a custom duration. This is a more advanced feature. You can have a buffer time, so that there is a time before and after. You can redirect to a certain URL. So in this case, I was redirecting to my own LinkedIn account. And then you can decide if this event should be shared with your team or not. You can add a payment with Stripe, even free users. We're the only ones that give it to free users. Most of our competitors, they charge starting from $10 a month, I believe. And this is the availability, right? So you can change the times in which you're available, the days of the week. And then these are some advanced rules for premium and professional tiers. So you can say generate the interval every 15 minutes. In this case, it's fine. But for instance, for 30 minutes event, you might want to generate the interval every 30 minutes so that you don't have all these strange bookings at 1:15 to 1:45, which is for some people a little weird. You can say book. Okay, this is interesting. It says if it says 0 per day, I guess there's no max. Maybe just to be sure, I'll just do 100. So I don't really want to have a max. And then this one I like. You give a notice of 1 day. So that at least, or what actually I could do, I just realized I could do 12 hours because, I usually just check before going to bed, what do I have for tomorrow? So 12 hours is fine. I think that's good. Yeah, I think that's fine. And then you can have a last availability. For instance, if you're going on holidays for 2 months, you can have this in June. I love this feature. It's one of the features that we only have accept or reject. So in this case, you will be able to decide if you want to have that person or not on your on your booking. And then you can add a specific text for email notifications, and plus we did an integration with Salesforce, so you can send fully customized emails from your own Gmail and Google account, so that it's a lot more personalized. Then we have reminders, which you can get as a pop-up, as an email, and as a Telegram message. This is actually my favorite. And then you can ask questions. You can also reorder them. So you can ask, how many employees does your company have? What's your company website? What's your phone number? So that it's easier. And you can also ask many other questions, to be honest. We have some pre-made questions. So that's it. That's the event types and how it works. If you ever need to book a time that you're busy, you just go in your own Google or Apple calendar and you create an all-day event or a specific event for X amount of hours and you mark as busy. So that's one way to mark yourself as busy when needed. Then upcoming, as I showed it to you already, we have when someone will book you, they will appear here in the pending if you are a professional, if you have it enabled. All right, otherwise events will be here. The details will contain the email, answers to the questions, the link to join. So that's pretty much about the dashboard. Then in terms of calendar connections is where you can connect multiple calendars. We also support sub calendars, which we actually believe to be one of the few people that do that. Then in the integrations, we are unique in allowing you to connect your Stripe account, even for a free user, so you can start to make money. So hopefully you will see even more value to then pay and upgrade on Calendbook. We have a Zoom integration. We have Zapier, which basically allows to create zaps. So, if somebody books your Calendbook, then add that to Google Sheets or, send a message on Slack or add them as a subscriber on MailChimp, whatever you would like. Then we have this webhooks, which are more advanced but also cheaper versions of Zapier for the more geeky friends of ours. We have Salesforce, which is a way to send custom emails from your own email, so it's a lot more personalized. We have Telegram that can help you get reminders and notifications on your Telegram, which you check more often in email. And same thing with WhatsApp. So we have this integration for you to send notifications also to the people that book your calendar. This is still the first version, but honestly, I think we're gonna keep improving here. Then we have team, where you can add your team and so that you can start to have share some of the events, and you can also upgrade them and so on. You can also, we just added this feature to copy the link invite so that you can more easily add people if you don't remember the email and you have them on WhatsApp or Slack or whatever. And then we have embed. Embed is it's a little bit for more geeky people, but it's a way so that you could show, if you add this code, you can then add it like on your website if you're a little bit more technical. Otherwise, you could also, if you have a website on Wix, you could also get a website on Wix and then install the Calendbook app here, and that will make it a lot easier for you to add Calendbook on your website. So that's another way to do it. We're also about to release a Shopify integration. Then we have agency. We actually have a new landing page for this. I'll just show you the new one. So we actually just are releasing it super soon. So basically, as an agency, as a digital marketing agency, you can partner up with us because you can offer Calendbook to your own customers. We're gonna give you the ability, once you create an agency account, to jump in between different accounts, so you don't have to remember different sign-up codes, or you don't have to open up like Chrome profile area here where you have to jump through the hoops for all these different accounts. You can also help your customers set up Calendbook, and of course you can either pay us in advance or we can also work out of the affiliate program. So yeah, and the affiliate program is available here on affiliates.calendbook.com. So you can sign up here and become one of our affiliates. That's one more way to earn. I think that's pretty much it. So this is the link to your public Calendbook page, which I already showed you before, where all your event types are, or also you can send them the personalized link to a specific event type if you already know that you only want them for 15 minutes. Otherwise, you can leave them the choice of booking you at whatever time. In the settings, we also have a dark theme, as you noticed. light and dark theme. And then in the settings, you have the ability to, change your profile picture, change your banner picture, your full name, your description, which then will show in here. And your language, your time zone, your booking link, connections with WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. If you have an agency plan, you have more details in there, your current subscriptions details, and here are the notifications, which are pretty unique to us. So that's pretty much it. Of course, you can upgrade anytime with Calendbook. We have really affordable tiers, and prices are gonna go up always, so make sure you get in quickly. And of course, there's a pretty big discount for both premium professional of basically more than 40%, it's actually 50 and 60% respectively. And so these are the list of all the premium features you have. We got feedback that people have been loving us for our public roadmap, where you see all that we've been working on in the past, where people have voted. Almost like, as you see, almost 400 people have been voting on our roadmap and have been telling us to do stuff like WhatsApp integration and Zoom and Stripe. And so we really want to thank you for your feedback. And finally, we are here available to chat and support you guys with any questions you have. So thank you so much. This is Calendbook walkthrough and demo as of June 20th, 2024. Thank you so much.